afternoon, Padroni Mike here. Welcome to Padroni Mike's Airline. For today's flight, please remain seated and fasten your seatbelt in case we experience any unexpected rough air. Please relax and enjoy your flight. For today's flight, we're going to take a tour around Barren River Lakes in Kentucky. I found this great place to fly from near Barren River Lake State Park. I had to stay out of the park boundary due to Kentucky State Parks are no-fly zones for drones. Everything was fine until here when all these birds came in for the attack on my drone. In my previous video, when birds came in and attacked my drone, only 2 large birds tried to attack my drone. This time it was about 15 or more. After struggling to avoid the birds for over a minute, I had to move away from the area to continue my flight. After I got back in control of my flight, I noticed a lot of barn swallow nests on the bridge beams above. Some people say to put eye decals on your drone. I think no amount of eyes on my drone would have slowed down this vicious pack of birds from their mission of trying to take down my drone. What a great flight! Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss a flight on Padroni Mike's Airline.